Every pond should have a pump of some sort to keep the water moving and to keep it clean, but not every pond is in a position to be able to connect a pump easily. Most pumps and transformers come with a 10-metre lead, but that's not always going to be convenient to run through the yard. Or perhaps the cost of adding an outdoor power point's just too high. That's when it's time to turn to the sun and look at solar pumps. This PS3500 solar kit from PondMax is super easy to set up. This really is a plug and play kit. In the box you'll find 2 high efficiency solar panels, connection cables, flexible tubing, various connectors, and the brilliant 3,400 litre an hour pump. Now I've got to tell you, installation could not be easier. Find a location for your panels. It needs to be the best sun you can provide. The panels are supported by the included posts. The pump case works as a filter screen for the long life motor. Behind the filter cage is the super durable impeller. Now attach your nozzle, nice and easily adjustable. Attach the flexible hose to the output. Drop the pump in where you need it and try and keep it level as you do so. Run the output end of your hose to where you want it. We're just going to conceal ours with some rocks. Run the lead back to the joiner and plug it in. And that's it, you're running. Now of course this rig needs sun to run, but if you want to keep it performing uninterrupted, then PondMax also have a battery backup box that you can add into the line. PondMax PS3500 Solar Kit, the super simple sustainable pond pump solution in a box.